C8 Paint, back at you with another video. And in today's video, we are going to install a brand new slip-on exhaust. So that's that regular smegular factory. You know, we really don't need nothing factory. And we are switching over to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful exhaust. Shout out to Can-Am. Shout out to Can-Am for this wonderful exhaust that they've made. All glory to Can-Am. Y'all see it. That's what we putting on. This is what's coming off. So this exhaust don't even sound bad, to be honest with you. I think I got it unscrewed now, but it was a little quiet. You know me, a little bit too quiet for me. So I'm not even turning on. It wasn't the loudest exhaust. So I'm gonna throw that one on and I'm gonna see what this one do. But it's a good looking exhaust. So basically all it looks like it's gonna take is unscrew this one screw right here. The exhaust comes apart right there. Then it looks like I'm gonna pull it from back here, pull it right off. You see it comes on down, comes on off. This literally is a less than 8-minute install. So again, some of y'all study running to the dealerships and stuff like that. You don't even need to do all of that, man. You could just install it yourself. Save some money, install it yourself. Now, if I had to install all of it, meaning I don't even have to put this up on a lift or anything right now. But if I had to take the whole exhaust system off, now I got to get this thing in the air and it's a little bit more work. So this is for just the slip-on. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it after I'm done with it. I'm gonna let y'all check it out here, what it sounds like. But let me put this other one on and I'll show you what it looks like and show you what it sounds like. I'll be back with you in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all, I'm back. We got the exhaust on. First of all, let's check out how that exhaust looks. Yeah. AKRAPOVIC. This AKRAPOVIC exhaust looks amazing. Yes, sir, but let's hear it. Let's do the test, man. The other exhaust did not sound like this, trust me. Oh man, I'm about to be a problem out in these streets. Man, shout out to Can-Am. Shout out, this is the exhaust right here. That old regular smegular exhaust, it did not sound like what y'all just heard at all. This is the old one. Had the 2 pipes coming out. This one looks like it has 3 holes there. And it's just throatier. Fellas, you know we like them throatier, right? Shout out to Can-Am. Get that AKRAPOVIC exhaust. I'll put it at the end of the video what the part number is. But this is it right here, man. Make sure you get the right one. Don't get the wrong one. Get the right one. This is it right here. I am very impressed and happy. And I think I'm about to ride for the rest of the day and night. Because this thing is, that exhaust is just lovely. Get in the comment section. Let me know what you thought about the exhaust. Let me let you hear it one more time, man. Just in case you forgot what it sounded like. Boy, that boy sound better than some of your dang cars, right? Ooh, we're about to get out of here right now. I'm at a friend's house. We're about to ride. I just pulled up. Didn't even need many tools to throw this exhaust on. He about to get on his Riker. I'm about to get on my Spyder, and we about to ride out. Hit that subscribe button.